Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to extract audio from video on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to extract audio from a video file, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. First, you just have to open up your CapCut. After opening up your CapCut, just tap on import. After tapping on import, just select a project. For example, I would like to select this project. Just select it. After selecting it, just tap on open and that will be added in your CapCut. Now to extract the audio file from this video, what you have to do is just simply drag it and drop it in your timeline and then right click on the video in your timeline. After right clicking on it, you will find this option which is extract audio. Just tap on it and after tapping on that, you will find that the audio and video has been separated. So now you can just simply go ahead and edit this audio. You can add noise cancellation, noise filters, and anything that you want. So in this way, you can also extract audio from a video. So that's it guys. This is how to extract audio from video on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.